Good morning, guys. I just wanted to give you a little video to show you what you're doing today as your activity. Um, Remember all my assignments that are going on? You're getting a 100 if you're turning them in, and you're getting a 0 if you're not. So last week I had you do a Quizlet set of flashcards and a quiz. Most of you did attach the screenshots for me. Check to see my comments. You guys, some of you are making your screenshots so teeny tiny, like to just show me that quiz, but that doesn't really show me anything because I can't see any of the words that are to the right. So I'm not sure if it's actually the right Quizlet, so I can't always give you credit. Check my comments because some of you I couldn't do that. Some of you did the wrong Quizlet or you attached the wrong Quizlet screenshots. You have to be really careful. I know it's hard. When I'm with you, I can see you and I'll be like, oh no, wait, it's that set. I know it's really hard. We're all struggling. I'm trying to make things as simple as possible. I'm trying not to give you more than 10 or 15 minutes of work each class that I would have you, because it's really hard to learn another language at home. Believe me, I completely understand that. So today, what I'm showing you is in our online textbook, which I know you don't have, but I did type this into a Google Doc, and that's going to be your assignment for today. There's like 13 little questions, okay? The first part of what you're going to do is we're going to look at this chart that's in the textbook. It says to indicate whether each item is a beverage, a refresco, a snack, a merienda, or a meal, a comida. When I gave you your Quizlet words last week, I broke them down with those snack type words, and that's where I gave you the items that fall into like those little appetizer kind of words. So it says una limonada. Limonada sounds a lot like lemonade. It is. I would mark it off as a refresco, a drink. Antojitos, that was another one of your flashcard words. Maybe you can split screen and open your Quizlet. That is another word for a snack or an appetizer, so that would fall under the snack category. So if we were doing this in class on the board, we would go up to the board and we would check mark each column. However, I put this on a Google Doc, and your 3 choices of words are these. Okay, I gave you 10 different things instead of 6. You're just going to type which one of those it falls under. If you want to look at your Quizlet to see what the word is, absolutely do that. Okay, some come from vocab 1, some come from vocab 2. Remember, unless you're completely wrong, you didn't put any effort in, I'm giving you a 100. And tomorrow I'll probably make another video to go over what your answers were. Now, the next 3 questions on the Google Doc that you're going to do today, they come from here, okay? And I only gave you 3 because they're kind of difficult. The directions originally say work with a partner. Obviously, you're not going to do that. It says read each sentence aloud and have your partner correct the wrong information. All right, so basically each sentence, something's wrong in it, and we have to make it make sense. I gave you these first 3. I put los amigos buscan una mesa ocupada. Okay, I will tell you on the video that says the friends look for an occupied table. Okay, obviously if you went to a cafe, you're not going to look to find a table that people are sitting at because, you're not going to go sit with strangers. So really what you have to change is this word ocupada to the word libre, which is free. And then now your sentence makes sense. So on the Google Doc, I have all this typed. Okay, you could just retype the sentence and just instead of typing the word ocupada, you would type the word libre, free. Okay, and then I gave you this next one. It says Anita escribe el menú en el café. It says Anita writes the menu in the cafe. I'm pretty sure Anita's not going to write the menu. She might read the menu, so you might want to see what the word for read is. And number 3 says Jorge desea unos pinchitos porque tiene sed. He wants kebabs, those little appetizers, porque tiene sed, because he's thirsty. You want to change this last word. You're not going to get a snack because you're thirsty. You would get a snack because you're hungry. Or if you wanted to leave that he's thirsty, you could change pinchitos. You could make it a drink. He wants to get a soda because he's thirsty. That works too. Okay, like I said, I'm not grading it. I want you to do your best. If you're doing it, you get a 100. Okay, so I'm going to post a video as your class announcement today. And I'm going to post the Google Doc that I typed up with these questions on it. That is your assignment for today. It is due today. I will check it and I will put the grade in Genesis. You're either going to get a 100 or you're going to get a 0. Or if you only do half of it, you're only getting a 50. But that's it. I'm not grading right or wrong or whatever. And I will post another video tomorrow or next class to go over what the answers are. All right. Have a great day, guys.